Race number 9. And the race is on. Pot Club Apo Mystery is running by the rail to grab the lead. It's now Apo Mystery all out. And on the outside, Pot Club Dart Sequence, Lake Came Manila, Sing Lord Key, and racing in 7th position, Yes Joey, Boss General. Back to the front runner, all outs. Now the leader, Apo Mystery, Pot Club. And on the further outside is Dart Sequence 3A. Lake Came Manila, Seeing Lorky, and Yes Joey. All out Dart Sequence to grab the lead. 3A Dart Sequence now the leader. All out is running by the rail as they race the final corner. 3A Dart Sequence by about 2 lines all out. Lake Came Manila, Pot Slab, Sing Lorky, Yes Joey, and ring the finish line. Dart Sequence by a length and up. All out Lake Came Manila and Sing Lorky. Dart Sequence, Sing Lorky, and finally Sing Lorky, Lake Came Manila, Dart Sequence, Pot Slab. Yes!